Hey guys, welcome to Techy Companion. It's me Akshit, and in this video I'm going to be showing you how to make your own Discord bot using Python. So we will be using a package called Pycord. Just because discord.py is shutting down, Pycord is a new package which we'll be using to make our Discord bot. So Pycord is just a similar fork or is a fork of discord.py which we'll be using. So let's get started.
I wrote a little song for you, it go like
So now from here, you want to download Python from python.org/downloads. You want to download the latest release of Python, which is 3.9.6 or maybe some other version. So now you have to come to code.visualstudiocode.com, which is this website. Now download Visual Studio Code for your PC, and this website will automatically choose the stable version for your PC. So you can download it from here. Now let's go to the next step. After downloading everything, you want to search CMD in the search bar, then open command prompt. Now you want to type in a command which will be py-m pip install -u py-cord git plus this link. The whole code will be in my website, the link would be in the description, and a few source codes will also be in my website. So let's click enter and let's just wait. And now Pycord is getting installed. 2.0.0 version of the Pycord is getting installed. Until it gets installed, make sure you subscribe Techy Companion and also like this video. And for more content like this, make sure to hit that bell icon. So as you can see, Pycord is now installed. So now let's go to the next step. After doing all these steps, you want to create a new folder in your desktop or any other folder. I'll just name it Discord bot. And then in this folder, we will be coding our Discord bot. After doing so, we can open VS Code. If you're a beginner, interface like so will open for the first time. Then you want to import the folder or drag and drop the folder which you created for the Discord bot, like so. Then you have to wait. As you can see, folder Discord bot which we had created has been opened here. So let me just close welcome. So you have to click this button to create a new file. So we'll create main.py. So this is the folder where we will be coding our Discord bot. So let me just close folder, and we will be starting by importing Discord. Import Discord, and from discord.ext import commands, and then we will create a bot variable where we will be storing the prefix of the bot. So bot is equal to commands.bot and uppercase B is important. So let's open up a bracket, and inside here we will be storing the prefix. Command underscore prefix is equal to, and let's open a string. I'll just open double inverted commas. You can open single inverted commas as well. I'll just pass in dot, as I want to keep dot as my bot prefix. So now let's create an event. So add bot.event, and then you want to give space, and sorry for that, let's just come back. And then you want to pass async def and on underscore ready and open parentheses and then a colon, and make sure the bot variable and the bot in the event is same. For example, I write discord.bot in the bot variable. The variable in the event should also be discord.bot, or it will show an error. So let's say bot, and here I'll also be writing bot. So let's go back and async def on underscore ready and open parentheses with the colon. The colon is very important. Now we'll try print, open parentheses and open a string again. So here we will pass what we want to print when the bot is online. I'll just type the bot is online, exclamation, exclamation. So now let us make a bot.run command. So here also the bot in the run command is also the same. You want to make sure the same thing. Then in this string we want to put the token of the bot. For that you need to go to Discord developer portal. So I'll just open a string and let's go to Discord developer portal. So let's open my browser. The link of this website will be in the description. Just ignore guide, that's my earlier bot. Let's click new application and then name your bot. I'll just name it YouTube bot and then I'll create it. If you want to add a PFP for your bot, you can add by clicking here. So let's go to the bot section and then add bot. Yes, do it. So now let's see our bot is created. So to invite the bot to your server, go to the OAuth 2 tab and then scroll down. You will see this bot option. You want to enable it, then scroll down. Now choose the permissions for your bot. I'll just give it administrator as it will all get automatically all other permissions. Let's copy this link, open a new tab and pass in this. So let's select the server in which we want to invite the bot. I've already made a server for this tutorial. So let's continue. Authorize. And then here you want to verify that you are not a robot. I verified. Now let's check Discord. Go to the server. And as you can see, YouTube bot has appeared. So, but the bot is actually offline right now. So to host the bot, you want to come back to the developer portal. Now you want to come back to the bot section and scroll down. You will see presence intent and server members intent. So you want to enable both of these for a better experience. They are not necessary, but I recommend enabling them. Now let's take a look at the token. So token is kind of the password to log into your bot. You don't want to reveal your token or give it to someone, or they'll be able to access your Discord bot. So let's say just I revealed my token to you, then I can regenerate my token and Discord will make a new token. So let's just copy and come back to Visual Studio Code and make sure you don't share this to anyone. So let's go. And so let's pass the token inside the run command string. So let us Ctrl S and save it and run the bot from the button in the top right corner. So let's wait, and as you can see, it prints the bot is online in the terminal as we have commanded it to print the bot is online. So let's check. So here you go, the bot is online, but right now it doesn't have any commands. Let's go and add a few commands. So let's create a command by adding a decorator. A decorator means add rate. Command bot.command and open parentheses. Now come down, type async def, maybe name the command. I'll just name it hello, and then you want to make a brackets. Inside you have to pass in ctx, which is the contacts. So now let's come down and you want to make sure the colon is there and then you press enter. So you want to type await ctx.send, open brackets again, then make a string so that you can pass in the message which you want to send when a person says .hello. So I'll just say hello exclamation or maybe hello there. So that's a good command. Let's just save it and delete this terminal and host the bot again. So the bot is online. Let's check it out. Dot is my prefix. Dot hello. So let's just type in. As you can see, it says hello there. What if I want the bot to say, maybe I type dot hello and I want the bot to say hello and mention my name like so, @Akshit. So to do that, let's come back to Visual Code, and here we need to create an F string. So delete the string and type F and create a string. So we've created a f string. So let's pass in hello and then open two curly brackets and open and close the curly brackets. Inside you want to type ctx.author.name. So author means the person who's typing the command in the server, and the name obviously you know it's the name of the member. So let's just save it and run the bot again. So now let's run the bot, and the bot is online. So let's check out .hello. So as you can see, it says hello Akshit. So what if you want the member to get mentioned, not just the name? So come back here, and then instead of name you need to type mention, and then you can save this and run the bot again. As you can see, the bot is online. Let's type .hello. As you can see, it prints hello Akshit. So that would be all for the basics of Pycord. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Make sure to subscribe our channel and like this video. And for more content like this, hit the bell icon. And the next tutorial will be on embeds. So thank you for watching the video.